back to my channel Makeup Memoirs by Priyambada Sharma. Also, before we begin with the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell icon next to it so that whenever I post new videos, you don't miss them. And if you like this video, then hit the like button too. And now let's get into the video. You all must have understood from the title of the video that this is going to be a huge haul. So in the past few, I would say weeks, not days, in the past few weeks I've bought quite a lot of products from Nykaa, and I have bought quite a lot of products of Nykaa Cosmetics as well. So in this haul I'm going to show you all the products that I bought and give you sort of mini reviews of some of the products, so that if you wish to buy them, I'll just tell you if you should invest your money in these products or you should totally skip them. Alright, now I'll show you the products, and I've jotted down the price of all the products in this diary of mine because I'll not be able to remember all of them. So I'll keep looking there and tell you the price of the products. And let's begin with, and we'll go brand wise. So I'm going to begin with Nykaa because that is the brand from which I've bought the most products. So let's begin with Nykaa's Skin Shield Foundation. I got this foundation in the shade Very Vanilla. The shade matched me perfectly. This is a good foundation and it retails for 799 rupees. But right now Nykaa is running a lot of discounts are running on Nykaa Cosmetics. So you can go and buy it and you will get it anywhere from 550 to 650-ish. And this is a good product. I would say medium coverage foundation, does not give you a lot of coverage, but it's a good foundation to go for. Next up, I've also got Nykaa's Prep Me Up Primer. This is the first time that I'm using this primer and I'm absolutely satisfied with it. This is a silicone based product. It does blur your pores out and it does its job very well, and the primer retails for 499 rupees. Now coming to this, this is their highlighter, the liquid highlighter. This is the outer packaging. This is in the shade Glazed Bronze, and this is how it comes in a drop kind of bottle, and you can kind of get your product and then squeeze it like that. And this is also very good, very potent. Like as a highlighter it will work very well. A little goes a long way with this product, and this particular one retails for 699. Next up we have another product from Nykaa, which is their shimmer. This is how it looks from the inside. This one is in the variant Sunset Love. So this basically has a lot of tones of pink and peach. I'm going to give you a collective swatch of this. So a subtle highlighter you can use. This is a multi-purpose product, so you can use it as your highlighter, as an eyeshadow, as a blusher if you like those shimmery, sheeny blushes. So you can go ahead and buy this also. This particular one retails for 650 and is a yes from my side. Now all the other products that now I have from Nykaa.com are lip products, and I've got like crazy amounts of it. So I'm first going to begin with their lip liners. The lip liners retail for 350 each, and I've got, I think, almost all the shades that they've got. I'll quickly give you the swatches also. First let me tell you if I like the product. I love the product. These are good, creamy. This one for example is in the shade Pillow Fight, and this is one of my most favorites out of them. And this is how that one looks. This is kind of a brownish nude, and then the next lip liner is in the shade Barbie Doll, and this is kind of a pink color. Not exactly the Barbie Doll pink, but yeah, like a mauvish pink. The next shade is called Head Over Heels. This is like a bright red, very pretty. That's how Head Over Heels looks. Then the next one here is again it's called Heartbreaker. It's again a purplish mauve sort of a shade, has a lot of purple undertones to it. That's how that one looks. Next one is called Loverboy. This is also a red, but a deeper red as compared to Head Over Heels. So this is like a deeper berry red sort of a shade. And I hope in the swatches you can clearly see how creamy these are. This is called Rocker Chic. This is like a bright pink, fuchsia pink color. Perfect for the summers. And the last lip liner that I have from this range is in the shade Sweetheart Pink. This is a wine sort of a shade. That's how Sweetheart Pink looks like. So those were all the lip liners from Nykaa. Now I'm going to move on to the lipsticks, okay? The lippies, the lipsticks and lip glosses also I've got. So I'll now show you both. So I'll begin with my favorites from the Nykaa lipsticks range. This is the, I think, Stay Matte range from them. This is how the bottle looks. It has a clear packaging here so that you can see the shade from the bottle itself, which is a good thing. This one is my favorite color from the range. I've got two more variants which I bought like some time back. But this is my favorite. This is in the shade Jhumki and this is a perfect brown nude. That's how Jhumki is. I mean the shade Jhumki is. And now these lipsticks, they retail for 599 rupees, but they're all on discount. From the same range I got another shade called Mastani. This is also a purplish mauvish pink shade. That's how Mastani looks. Beautiful shades, both of them. Will work on a lot of skin tones, medium, wheatish, fair. They look good on all skin tones. Okay, then I've got two lipsticks from their creamy matte range, and these retail for 299. Beautiful lipsticks for the price, and they come at again I've got two shades. The first one is Wake Up Makeup. I love this shade, again a brown nude, and these are very creamy. The others are matte. This is how Wake Up Makeup looks, and the other shade is Pep Talk. This is a pink, kind of a deep pink shade. That's how Pep Talk looks like. Now again, both the lipsticks, the Stay Matte ones and these ones I loved. You can definitely go and buy these lipsticks. They are very comfortable to wear on the lips, and the matte ones, they take some time to dry down, but then once they settle to that matte finish, they won't budge, whereas the creamy mattes will obviously, like, they will transfer if you have something like oily or you eat something. They are a little transferable, so keep that in mind. But otherwise, like, beautiful lipsticks, both of them. Next one, I just have one lipstick from this range, which is their Paint Sticks range. This is how the lipstick looks. It comes in a plastic packaging like a normal regular tube, and that's how your bullet looks. This is the shade 04. There's no name for this one, which I don't really like. There should be a name. This is kind of a rusty orange sort of a color. Very pretty, again, beautiful for the summers. And most of the shades that I've got will, again, as I said, they'll work for a lot of skin tones, like especially the Indian skin tone spectrum, wheatish, medium, even deeper skin tones. The ones that I just showed to you will look really pretty on deeper skin tones as well. Now I've got their other variant as well in the lipsticks only. These are their puff lipsticks. These are called the Wonder Puff cushion lipsticks. Now these have this kind of a puff as the tip through which you apply your lipstick, and this is like the whole lipstick. You've got a click sort of a button like you have in those ballpoint pens, and you click here and your product will come out on the tip, and you can like put the lipstick. Now my only complaint with these lipsticks is that because there is product left even after you're done putting it on your lips, there is like lack of control that you have as the person putting it on your lipstick. So this kind of ruins the cap, like it gets all over in the cap, which is not something that I like. They are a really lightweight formula, but sort of sheer on your lips. Like, these are not like one swipe application and opaque color. These are a tad bit sheer, and they retail for 899 rupees, which I think is a little like pricey for the kind of product that I'm getting, because the Stay Matte lipsticks I love. The creamy mattes, which are for 299, are, I think personally I would prefer them over these. Although this is also a beautiful texture, but application and all of that I did not like. So this one is in the shade You Go Girl. This is again a pink, bright pink color. So do you see how I was telling you that this is sheer? Like, I applied it and it is watery, sort of. Like, after that much of application, I got sort of an opaque finish. So yeah, that's that. I would say you can skip on this, 899 is not what it's worth Then the next shade which I love the color of this one, but again I have a problem with the applicator. Shake It Off is the name of the shade, and you can see the whole applicator has a product. Now do you see they are almost like oily sort of, I don't know what is it like. Love the shade. When you apply it on the lips, it's very pretty, but again they are a little like low on color payoff also, and otherwise also. So yeah, I think this can be a skip. Next up from Nykaa only, I've got their metallic liquid lipstick and eyeshadow. So this is a metallic lipstick which you can use as an eyeshadow. So that's at least how they have marketed the product. So this is a 2-in-1 sort of a product where you can use it as a lipstick and as an eyeshadow. I've got two of them in this. One is called Umbrella and the other shade is Can't Be Tamed. So Umbrella is kind of, you know, a peach and bronze sort of a shade. So you can see these are metallic in finish, but like I've not tried it as an eyeshadow, so I don't know how well this is going to perform as an eyeshadow, but as a lipstick it works fine. Although metallic lipsticks, I realize, are not my cup of tea, so I won't be buying them. But if you like wearing metallic lipsticks, you can definitely go ahead and buy these. Although they retail for $625, but on discount you'll find it for $500ish. And this color is something that I liked, which is called Can't Be Tamed, and this is like a pink metallic lipstick. So that's that. If I use it as an eyeshadow, I'll let you people know if they work out fine, but as a lipstick they're fine. I think they have a very similar texture to the Stay Matte lipsticks. So yeah. Okay, so next up I've got 3 lip glosses from Nykaa Cosmetics only. The first one is in the shade Sweet Angel. This is how it looks. Again, a clear tube. You can see the gloss through the tube. A black lid, all plastic. Again, a different applicator. So in the lipstick we had a teardrop kind of an applicator with a hole in the middle, whereas for the lip gloss they've given us like a straight applicator, which I liked for the lip gloss. So this is how Sweet Angel looks. This is like a bright, you know, soft pink shade, which I love. Then the next shade that I have is Ride In Solo 03. This is a purplish pink lip gloss. That's how Ride In Solo looks. And then the last one is a golden lip gloss. This is like a lip topper more so. This is called Golden Glimmer, and that's how that looks. This is relatively like more opaque than the rest of them. So as I told you, this is more like a lip topper than a gloss. These two are glosses. So you can see these are sheer as compared to this one. Okay, so this is Golden Glimmer. All of them are very good. I love their lip glosses. You can definitely go and buy these. These retail for 450 rupees, but you'll always find them on discount. So you can go ahead and buy these lip glosses. They're non-sticky, they look pretty, and they've got really nice colors. I'm planning to buy like one more. I think the shade is called Honey Boo or something like that. I'm not sure, but that's like a nude lip gloss. So I'm definitely going to buy more of these. I love these. So this is also a yes from my end. Now the last and the final product from Nykaa Cosmetics. Now like it's already been what, say 15 minutes into the video. I feel like I still have quite a lot of products to show you people. Please bear with me. I'm sure and hopeful that this video is going to be informative for you all, so that you don't spend your money on something that is not worth. So you get some information beforehand and then invest your money smartly, right? So this is the last product from Nykaa Cosmetics. This is their Glamour Eyes eye pencil. This is basically sort of a shimmery kohl pencil. This one particularly is in the shade Bronze Beam, a beautiful shade. 08 is the number. So this is a bronzy shimmery. I don't know how far can you see the shimmer in this, but yeah. A yes from my end. This is very creamy, glides on very softly. This is what I'm wearing on my eyes today. Like I've smudged it, so you cannot really see it that well, but yes, definitely a yes from my end. This one retails for 450 rupees. Okay, now so the next brand that we're going to move on to is Lakme. I got 3 of their Forever Matte lipsticks. This is fairly a new launch of theirs, like not like new, but yes, they've launched these lipsticks recently, and these come in this kind of a tube, which is like very handy and easy to carry. I've got 3 shades in this. One is called Red Sangria. This is shade number 05. This is like a beautiful wine color. Loved all the 3 shades that I've got. I absolutely fell in love with them, and these retail for $2.95. You will get them on discount also, and let me tell you, these are like the best lipsticks I've ever tried from Lakme. These are matte, absolutely comfortable on your lips, and for the price point that they come at, definitely a yes from my end. Now the other 2 shades that I have are 12 Pink Glam. This is obviously, as the name suggests, a pink color, kind of a muted fuchsia pink. And then the last one is called Pink Peach. This is, again, as the name suggests, like nice names also. This is Pink Peach, so definitely a peachy pink shade. As I already have told you, these are a definite yes from my side. And then the next thing that I got, and I also used in one of my videos for the graphic liner, is this Lakme Insta Liner in blue color. Again, this is an oldie. They have launched 3 colorful liners in this. They had only a black one earlier. Now they've got green, golden, and this blue one. Absolutely love it. Retails only for $120, and on discount you can like get it easily for 100 rupees. Works well if you want to do something creative on your eyes. You can definitely go for this one. Okay, so as we've been doing a lot of lip products, let's stay in that category only. So I've got 2 more lip liners from Maybelline's Color Sensational Shaping Lip Liner range. Now these retail for $350. I've got 2 shades. The first one is 160 Rich Wine, a wine shade, and they come in this traditional lip liner thing. You can twist and take out your stick. That's how this one looks. This was the shade 160 Rich Wine. And then the other one I absolutely love. This is in the shade 125 Magnetic Mauve. This is like a purplish nude shade. They retail for $350, but yeah, if you get them on discount, go grab them. They are creamy, and Maybelline again makes the best lip products, in that drugstore range. They make the best lipsticks and lip glosses and lip liners and whatnot. So definitely a yes from my side. Quickly hopping on to the next product that I've got. It's this by Swiss Beauty. This is their Primer Set Primer and Mattifying Setting Powder. So this is basically a translucent setting powder. That is how this looks. It comes in this kind of a pot, has a plastic lid. You open the lid. Okay, I'm really scared to open this because then it's going to go all over the place. You get this kind of a puff with it, which is of no use, and it has all the powder on it, and these kinds of holes are there in this protective lid, so you can get the product out from this and then use your brush and put it on. So this powder, it retails for 249 rupees. I would say for the price that you are paying for it, it's a good setting powder. I mean, it does give you that blurred sort of an effect once you set your concealer under eyes or anything with it. But one major con for this one is that it has a crazy flashback. So if you are clicking a picture with a flash, this is going to look like white on your skin if you've used it, because I've had an experience with this. I was clicking my picture for one of the eye looks that I did, and my whole under eye looked white, like white. Okay, so that is one thing that you have to keep in mind. But otherwise, if you want to use this just as a settings powder for daily purpose, 249 rupees, absolutely you can go for it. But yes, only the flashback is there. Okay, next up, I tried this brand for the first time. So I'm talking about this brand called Daily Forever 52, and I got their magnificent eyeshadow palette in the variant 001. This is how the palette itself looks. Comes in a plastic packaging, has a magnetic closure to it. You just slide it and open it like so, and that is how your palette looks. So I have already, these are the best foiled eyeshadows I've ever tried. I'm going to quickly do like 1 or 2 swatches for you. Like I've just touched the eyeshadow and look at that pigment. I mean, this has some crazy pigment. If you want to try these eyeshadows, definitely go ahead. Like even if you don't want to try them, I'd say you go ahead and buy them. Like these are beautiful. And you get all these shades. All of them are as pigmented as I've shown. This one retails for 1650, but if you get it on discount, and I would say I although got this from Nykaa, but they have their own official website also. You better go and check out there. They've got like more discounts as compared to Nykaa.com, so you can go there and buy it. Okay, so next up I've got PAC Cosmetics. I just got 2 products from PAC. One is their M72 variant Mink Lash. Beautiful natural looking lashes. They retail for 375 rupees. PAC makes some of the best false eyelashes. You should definitely go. Like this one is a natural, relatively natural eyelash, but you can definitely go for their silk range. You know, they've got beautiful eyelashes. Like in whatever eyelashes are available, they make the best. Let me just show it to you. This is how the eyelash looks. Definitely a yes from me. I've tried a lot of lashes from them. And okay, so the lash fixer retails for 395 rupees. That's how the actual tube looks like. You get a brush with it, which makes it very convenient for you to put it on your eyelash. Like, alright, so next up we've got 3 products from NYX Cosmetics. Now I had put these in my stories on Instagram. I got 2 lip glosses and another freebie from NYX because there was an offer going on. The lip glosses that I got, one is their shimmer lip gloss, which is called the NYX Lingerie Glitter Lip Gloss. This is in the shade Bear With Me. This is like a nude pink, peachish sort of a lip gloss. Now this one retails for rupees 750, and I bought this on discount, but I think you can skip this one because since this is a shimmer lip gloss, this is a little sticky on your lips, and for 750 rupees, the other variant that I'm going to show to you by NYX again is a much better pick, which is their NYX Slip Tease lip lacquers. This one is absolutely beautiful. I'm wearing this on top of some other lipstick that I wore before. This one is in the shade Rosy Outlook, and again this one is in fact cheaper. This is for 700 rupees and has a very interesting applicator. This applicator is somewhat similar to the Fenty Beauty lipstick applicator, and this, when you apply it on your lips, has a minty flavor to it, which is not very usual in lip products. They generally have sweet, fruity scents. So I really liked it. Very comfortable to wear. Very rich in color payoff as well. So you can definitely go and buy these. I'm talking about the mascara that I got for free by NYX Cosmetics. This is their Worth the Hype waterproof mascara. I have used this one also. This will give you a little bit of length but not a lot of volume. Also, this is waterproof. I try to stay away from waterproof mascaras because they are a pain to remove and then they tug on your eyelashes, and I don't like that whole process. So I would say, and anyway, I got it for free, so I can't really complain about it, but I wouldn't really recommend buying these. Now moving on, I've got two products from Wet n Wild, which this one is like a repurchase. I've bought this earlier also. This one retails for 499 or 450 rupees. I'm not sure, I did not write it down, but definitely below 500, and I absolutely love this. This is the natural finished variant, which is more dewy. They have another matte variant also, so you can buy whichever you like. Both have the same price point, so I love this product. Definitely a must buy for me. Like if you want a recommendation, definitely go and buy this. The other 2 products are their brushes, Wet n Wild's brushes. Okay, Wet n Wild's brushes. This one is like a flat top brush. This one retailed for 299, and I never used to use a brush for blending my foundation, but ever since I got this, I love the finish that it gives. No streaks whatsoever on your face, and 299 rupees is very inexpensive for a brush like this. As you can see, I've already used this one. The other brush is like a small blending, eyeshadow blending brush. This one I've not really used, but I'm sure this is going to work well, keeping in mind the other brush that I used. Also, it's very soft. This one retails only for rupees 145, so you can definitely go and purchase this if you want to. And they've got a lot of other brushes like powder blushes, blush brush, foundation brush. They've got a lot of variants and different ranges of brushes also. You can definitely go and try these out. Coming to the brand that has launched in India fairly recently, and I am in love with one of their products. I'm going to reveal that very soon. So I'm talking about Flower Beauty, which is Drew Barrymore's brand, and this recently launched in India. The first product that I have from them is their Light Illusion Foundation in the shade Warm Beige L4. So this is my favorite product from the whole haul. I absolutely love the finish of this one, although this retails for $9.90. Not very inexpensive, but definitely worth the money that it comes for. It has got a glass bottle with a pump, like the best thing, and gives a very dewy finish. This is going to be a blessing for the dry skinned girls out there. Go and buy this without giving it a second thought. If you can, go ahead and buy this one. I absolutely love this. And then I got two more products from the same range, which is their Light Illusion concealer and their Light Illusion perfecting powder. I absolutely love the powder also. Powder retails for 1,000 bucks. I know it is expensive, but this does perfect your under eyes when you use it on your concealer, anywhere on your face. The name, as it suggests, it is a perfecting powder. It does perfect your base. Now, talking about the concealer, this is supposedly a supposed dupe for the NARS Radiant Concealer. It is very light and very nice and brightening, but I did not get the right color for myself. So the color that I got was medium honey, and this is very yellow to orangish under my eyes. So I didn't end up using this a lot, but the texture of this one is very pretty. If you get your perfect shade, go ahead and buy this one. Okay, so the last two products in this haul are skincare products, one that I liked and the other one that I absolutely hated. Okay, let me talk about this first. This is the aloe vera gel from Mamaearth. This is their aloe vera gel with pure aloe vera and vitamin E for skin and hair. This one is paraben and silicone free, no added color, suits all skin and hair types. This is a 300 ml packaging, and the best part, this one's cruelty free too. Okay, so I use a lot of aloe vera gel. I have been using aloe vera gel as my moisturizer for quite some time now, like for years, and I've never looked back. Being an oily to combination skin person, this works absolutely beautifully for me. Retails for, let me tell you, this retails for $3.99, but 300 mls for $3.99 is not at all a bad thing. And as you can see, this has no colors, like it's a transparent gel, and I use quite a lot of it. The final product of this haul, and the one that I'll never recommend to anyone, is this aloe vera gel. As I just told you, I'm a hoarder for aloe vera gels, and I have already tried one by this brand. This is Jeva's aloe vera gel with argan oil multi-purpose beauty gel for skin and hair. This is also sulfate and paraben free. This comes in this kind of a tube, which I'm not at all a fan of. This is also transparent, but the problem with this is the moment I use this gel, my eyes, my skin, I had applied it on my face, but not just my skin, even my eyes started to water. This was stinging on my skin like so bad, I can't tell you. I have already tried another aloe vera gel from them, which comes in a transparent white tub, and that worked beautifully for me. This one, although retails for, let me just tell this to you, this retails for $2.99, and that one I think is for $150. Much better. Go for that variant. This is an absolute no from my end. And that's all for this haul. I had to speak quite a lot. There were a lot of products, but yes, I hope this was informative for you. You all will I already warned you against the products that you shouldn't put your money in, so that you don't waste your money, and the ones that you can definitely go ahead and blindly buy, that also. I hope you like this video, and keep watching my videos, and yeah, we'll meet the next time. Bye.